Google has changed the reputation game again. Reviews now matter more than ever in regards to driving customers and growing your revenue. Google has updated their logo. The logo on the left was a little more blocky, and they've moved to more of a gradient, which is designed to be more symbolic of AI and Gemini and AI's growing role in search results. Here's an example. Previously, we might search best dealership near me, but AI is more like a human conversation. So you wouldn't call up your friend and just say best car dealership near me. You might say, hey, I'm looking for a dealership with a friendly staff that's not going to hassle me. And Google Maps can actually start to deliver results like that by reading the results, the responses, the text of the review. A lot more factors matter. It can even look at the photos in your listing and say, oh, this looks like a really friendly dealership. This is the result I'm going to give. Additionally, with AI, velocity matters more than ever, especially over quantity. So it's not enough to have had 1,000 reviews as of 5 years ago. Now, Google may weight your most recent 10 reviews. And so you need to make sure you're driving a consistent uh, volume of new reviews. Let's talk about visibility, conversion, and retention, because all of these things matter. Ultimately, we want to show up higher in search results. So the things that matter, Google doesn't come out and say what the exact criteria is, but obviously higher star rating, more reviews, more photos, better words in the review, prompt responses, things like that. Additionally, you're more likely to get someone to click on your listing over competitors, even if your star rating is just marginally higher. And additionally, the more you're responding to reviews, the better you look both to AI and to the buyer, where they can see that you're a responsive dealership. So ultimately, your job as the dealership is to deliver a great experience to your customer. Afterwards, we want to ask for a review or feedback. Once you get that feedback, you want to make sure you respond and address it, whether it's good or negative. However, the more that you can automate asking and responding, the more time you have to focus on delivering a positive, personalized customer experience. Ultimately, the majority of reviews that are negative come from poor communication, not necessarily a bad product or service. People want to be uh, interacted with, and a poor interaction leads to that negative experience. They're frequently more emotional than not. This is part of the reason that asking for did you have a good experience, yes or no, and sending the yeses to Google and the nos to private feedback, that's a key factor when dealing with a highly emotional response. Ultimately, AI is changing how your reputation is built. So ultimately, the search results are considering more and more factors that they just couldn't process in the past. A good example of this is a more complete Google profile. So your Q&A, the even the context of your photos. If you have pictures of your dealership, Google will look at that and give that more favorable ranking than just stock photos you're getting from the OEM. So make sure that you are basically just making your profile be real. It's search results are about to get a lot more human and a lot less machine-like. And don't forget, review bursts can be penalized. You don't necessarily want, this is a good thing for you, where if you're consistently driving reviews, you'll rank higher than someone who's out there buying reviews. Another just funny note is something like friendly staff can now be determined, whereas that would be almost an impossible search before. And so the more you're able to be authentic and human in search results, the better off you'll be. Now, do you want more? Can we help in some way? Kenect is an expert in helping dealers implement AI solutions across North America. We've been doing this for a long time, and even our AI has been around since 2021. And we've got 10,000 dealerships using us. Ultimately, if you're looking to up your review game, we would love to help. Please get in touch, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.